Hello, sorry. I had an issue with my laptop regarding some issues, but I don't know what was exactly the problem. So we were talking about some problem and we couldn't see that some register is set uh, wasn't set correctly. So let's try to check again. I will open this logic analyzer and try to so it's connected. So as you can see, GPIO is not toggling, and we found that this pin is not set. We put some breakpoint to that function. Let's see if it's saved. Yeah, and so we were trying to check the 0e value. So 8 means 14, so it's correct, but why it's not set here? So let's try to check. It's not set. Something wrong. Pin mode is 01, pin 0e multiplied by 2 to shift to bit number 28. Let me check again. Yes, so okay, so let's do one thing. So check again. Nothing changed. For the O speed, let's check if the other registers are set correctly. So the GPIO, this is our function, the main C. So this is O typer. So O typer is definition is 00, so it means that it's set correctly. It's 0, and for speed, it's low speed. Let's check the value of the speed. So the speed is again 00. It's 00, so it's correct. And for the pull, it's no pull value. It's 0, so it's again 0. So only register mode is not set correctly. I will try to find out. So there is one trick, so let's force it manually and check if it can be changed. Now I can see LED blinking, and let's check for the if it's toggling. Yeah, so now sorry, there's some, so now we can see that the pin is toggling, and also I can see that the LED is toggling also. So I think we have an issue with the mode. We have an issue with the mode bits, so maybe I will try to spend time on this function, and maybe later I will try to share with you the solution for this issue. So I think till now we have completed the GPIO driver, and this is, I think, basic things. So maybe in the future we will try to implement more functions, so to handle the interrupts, and also how to use this GPIO configuration to use it for UART communication. So yeah, I think that's all. So see you in next video. Thank you for watching these videos. Bye.